GATE 2020 Civil Engineering Set 1 Question 25. A river has a flow of 1000 million liters per day, BOD 5 days of 5 mg per liter and DO level of 8 mg per liter before receiving the wastewater discharge at a location. For the existing environmental conditions, the saturation DO level is 10 mg per liter in the river. Wastewater discharge of 100 mld with the BOD 5 of 200 mg per liter and DO level of 2 mg per liter falls at that location. Assuming complete mixing of wastewater and river water, the immediate DO deficit rounded off to 2 decimal places needs to be found. The relevant NPTEL reference has been listed as below. Coming to the useful data, so if we have a river and it is getting mixed with a sewage channel, let us say the flow of the river is QR and the flow of sewage is QS. So in order to find the resultant DO levels of the combined mixture, we can use the simple weighted average method. So if the river's DO is called as DOR and its flow is QR, this can be done by adding it with the DO of the sewage into the flow of sewage by the total flow, that would be QR plus QS. By using this weighted average method, we would obtain the resultant DO of the combined mixture. So initially we will have a certain saturation DO level. Once wastewater mixes with the river, the DO level will drop naturally to a level of DO resultant, which is at this point. As the question is asking us to find the immediate deficit, we will only consider the point when the river and the sewage mixes. So this difference between the saturation DO level and the resultant DO level of the mixture is called the DO deficit. It means saturation level is this much higher than the resultant DO, or resultant DO is this much lower from the saturation level. In this question, our flow of river as 1000 mld and sewage as 100 mld is given. The DO levels of river are given as 8 mg per liter and for sewage it is 2 mg per liter. So the saturation DO has been given in the question as 10 mg per liter. So what we need to find is the deficit, which is nothing but the saturation DO minus the DO of the river and sewage mixture. So trying to find the resultant DO, we will apply the weighted average formula, that is QR into DO of river plus flow of sewage into DO of sewage divided by the total flow. So the flow of river is nothing but 1000 mld into the DO of river is 8 plus the flow of sewage is 100 and its DO is 2 divided by the total flow, that would be 1100. This would give the value to be 8200 divided by 1100, which would be around 7.45 mg per liter. So the deficit would be 10 minus 7.45, which is around 2.55 mg per liter. We can leave the result as it is, as the question asks us to round it off to 2 decimal places. So the weighted average formula for finding the resultant DO of a river sewage mixture was used to obtain the DO of the mixture and was subtracted from the saturation DO level to obtain the deficit as 2.55 mg per liters. The relevant NPTEL reference has been listed as below.